everybody, this is Bridget. Welcome to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. I've been gone for a while, you guys. Just getting my life together, living, figuring out stuff. But I'm back. And just want to say welcome back to my subscribers that was following me about a year ago. And hopefully you guys, some of the new people that's watching, click that subscribe button somewhere, wherever it is, and join my family. Join my family. Okay, today is an exciting haul that I'm really excited about. What I've been doing around my house is really doing some cleaning, some deep cleaning, like some power washing cleaning, and just all kinds of I even power washed my driveway, y'all. It needed it. My driveway and my sidewalk. It needed it really badly. So just getting a fresh start all over my house. So I neglected my screen-in patio for a while now. So it took me about 3 hours to power wash my screen-in patio as well as my outdoor patio. And but I got it spick and clean, and so I decided to go and refresh my cushions too, because some of my cushions actually were dry rotted. Like you clean it and it just crumbles in your hand. Had to get rid of that. So my outdoor patio right now has a lot of new cushions on it, and the colors are beige, white, black with a pop of red. It's really pretty. Very clean, very comforting. Some of you guys know that I have a really huge screen-in patio, large enough for a dining area and a sitting area. And this is the screen-in patio. So I will share those with you guys later. But what I'm most excited about today is I love the color blue. I realize I love the color blue. Go figure. So next year, I'm going to redo my patio again with blue. So here recently, Pier 1 has had a great sale on their outdoor pillows, outdoor cushions, and I just went crazy with cushions. But what I'm most excited about is what I'm going to share with you today, my blue inspired outdoor cushions and patio cushions. So yeah, and I don't have all of it with me, but I'm going to show you what my inspiration was. My inspiration pillow was. My inspiration pillow was, you guys look at this. Look at the detail. Look at those blues and whites and blacks. Look at there. This pillow, the regular price of this pillow was $24.99. It went down to $6.18. I don't know if you guys can see that. But then Pier 1 had a 40% off all clearance. When has Pier 1 ever had an additional off of their clearance? So I bought them all from stores. I'm just so excited I can't even talk. Pier 1, as far as maybe an hour and a half from where I live. I live in Montgomery, Alabama. They closed down my Pier 1 here in Montgomery, Alabama. So I have about maybe 6 to 8 of these pillows here that I bought. But the good thing about this pillow here, you guys, it is reversible. Boom, 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 boom. Reversible. And they had another blue pillow that was regular $24.99. That was marked down to $6.18. And I got 40% off the $6.18. And here it is. Woohoo! Y'all, let me explain to you a little bit about my outdoor space. I have 3 different outdoor spaces to decorate. One is outside my bedroom. which I have a sitting area, and I carved out a little bistro dining area, and then I have the inside of the screen-in patio, and then I have the outside of the screen-in patio. It's a lot. It's a lot to decorate. So I have about 6 or 8 of these too, these pillows. And if you put them together, you know, maybe, but if you separate them off, then, you know, you might have a better chance of it being cohesive. But love it. So I'm going to also add gray. I found these pillows also from Pier 1. These were actually 50% off. Well, actually, no. These were, okay, this is regular $9.99. They're on sale now for $3.49, and I got an extra 25% off that. So I bought some of these. I also purchased the bolster pillows. The bolsters. These were the regular price was $7.99, and these were on sale for $3.49, and I got additional 25% off that. And I think I have 6 or 8 of these. Y'all, I just bought a lot of pillows. Boom, 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 boom. And you know, bolsters are really cool. You can put them for armrest on your bench or your chair. I have a chaise lounge also in my screen-in patio. That's mine. Nobody can sit on it but me. I'm going to incorporate some pictures of some of the areas that I'm talking about in this video, you guys, so you'll see kind of like how it kind of all comes together. Well, not the blue. The blue is going to be reserved for next year. I just can't wait for next year to do my blue. Right now, remember what I said. Right now, I have the beige, the black, the white, the pop of red. That's what I have now. I also have this little cute little pillow that I found actually at Pier 1. And it was regular $19.99, marked down to $9.18, which was 40% off that. It says love, peace, and joy. I actually have it in my woosah room right now, but I think I'm going to put it out on my patio after I spray paint it. I also have seat cushions. I have 2 4 sets of this color seat cushions, y'all. I'm so excited. Ah! Okay, so imagine your blues, your grays, and then you have the pop also of greenery. Where are y'all? Where are you? There you are. Also from Pier 1, these were regular price $14.99, and they were on sale. I wish I bought more of these. They were on sale for $2.99, and they were additional 25% off that. Y'all, I miss y'all. I miss you guys. Woohoo! Woo! So yeah. So we're gonna accent some greenery into the look. Just gonna accent some greeneries. So I will be purchasing some greeneries. Why I say greeneries? Some greeneries. Really, a lot of these to go inside of my spaces outside. So, having said all that, oh yeah, I'm in my woosah room, you guys. I bought a sofa since the last time, you guys. Since we talked, And this is a sleeper sofa. Oh, it's heavy. It's like what they said was like 500, 600 pounds. It's a sleeper sofa. It took a while to get through the door, but it came through the door. It's here now. And I love this gray. I love the fabric, the feel of it. It's very comfortable. And I've got some new pillows. Is that pretty? Okay, so maybe I might do another video on my Wusa room. Say hi, bunny. I bought this bunny, you guys. This was one of the Easter Pier 1 when they went on clearance, and she was regular $19.99. I think I might have paid $3 or $4 for her. Yeah, so she sits in here too, along with her friend over there. But we'll get to her later. So thank you for visiting my channel. I really miss this. I really miss us. I miss us. I miss our relationship. I miss our friendship. And come back. Come back. Come back and see more. Come back and see more. Okay. Bye.